Hi Pisces, welcome. Just getting ready to do your reading. Let's see what energies we have and messages we have for you on this particular time. Just a couple more shuffles and we'll get into it. Here we go. The Fool. Two of Swords. The Lovers. Knight of Pentacles. Four of Wands. Very nice energies. Nine of Cups. Wow. Okay, at the bottom of the deck you have the Queen of Wands, the Tower, and the Seven of Swords. Okay, I feel you're in the midst of a decision about where your happiness lies, about your future, who you want to be with. This fallen Two of Swords, does involve kind of a leap of faith. I feel you're going into unexplored territory and you're holding off a little bit. You're having a good think about this. It's your future you're talking about. With this Four of Pentacles, you've been making progress in the recent past, but it's been very, very slow. And it's come to a standstill, and with the present climate globally, we are slowly coming out of it. So it kind of doesn't surprise me that Knight of Pentacles is in the recent past position. You've just had to watch and wait and see what happens concerning a love connection. I feel for some of you, you could even be leaving your present residence or preparing to. There's some choices, like I say, there's a choice here. You have choices. For whatever reason, you seem to be in the energy of it's run its course and I need to move to get this wish fulfillment. Whoever it is that you're connecting with, your happiness is at stake, and I feel you've been wishing for this move for a long while. You could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag, but with this Tower here, I feel when these present restrictions are lifted, the Tower to me is all about breaking free. If you think the princess in the tower, along comes the handsome prince to rescue her. Well, yeah, there's a sudden release of energy here, and I feel it will allow you to progress. And for you to leave whatever it is you're dealing with that's causing, I feel, some mental stagnation. You're on the road to leave it behind. Let's pull you a few more cards. I feel you want to leave a certain situation behind, at least mentally. Doesn't necessarily have to be a physical move, but there's certainly new beginnings concerning a love relationship here, or concerning a relationship that you want to be in. You have the World card here. So there could be travel involved here. You have got the Nine of Wands here. So it's been a fairish struggle, and with this new beginning, this new uncharted territory, it's going to bring in its own challenges. But you're tough enough to withstand them. You're tough enough, and you have got the intellect to overcome them. So you are tougher than you think. The Emperor. You know, the Emperor's all about status, being able to see the big picture, responsible enough to take the consequences of one's own actions, and move forward with very strongly and with conviction. Nine of Pentacles. Now, you could be there's a very strong chance you'll go solo. The Nine of Pentacles to me is all about independence, and through your own hard work you're building your own comfort zone. As I say, these two cards are quite powerful energies. Being mature enough to go your own way, and certainly forge your own future and face all life's challenges as they come. And at the bottom of the deck we have the King of Cups. We have the Death card, which is all about transformation. It's all about endings and beginnings. For new beginnings, something must end. And the Temperance card is all about balance and making compromises. So in these new challenges you face, you could well have to make compromises and small sacrifices to get something you want. It's like in a game of chess, you have to sacrifice the pawns to get the king and the queen through. It's that kind of analogy, really. I know real life's not the same, and I don't in 1 second compare a game of chess, but I've just used that as an example, as a way of explaining it. You know, to overcome these challenges in the future, you'll probably have to make some sacrifices to be able to move forward. That's your reading for today. I hope to see you again in the next reading. On that note, it's bye for now.